Hey, it's Jeff again with Family Legacy Estate Sale. We're opening another box from this massive collection of toys that we obtained from a gentleman who's moving to Japan. Anyway, we're going to open all these boxes on video. Everything will be for sale on our website, www.familylegacyestatesale.com. If you like the videos, watch our YouTube channel. And there's also educational videos as well on toys and taking care of them. And or look at our Facebook page. So without further ado, let's get to this box. Let's see what we've got in here. Let's see. We've got something called a mobile armor Lala Soon Use 2003 by Bandai. I'm not sure, that could be Gundam because there's quite a bit of Gundam in this collection, but that's a nice piece, factory sealed. Oh yeah, and there's more Gundam in here, so I'm guessing that's Gundam because here's a mobile Gundam armor big row. All factory sealed, very nice. And then we've got a mobile cruiser, Lily Marlene, also Gundam. It's got some little minifigures in here. It's a deluxe edition piece, very cool. Yeah, looks like we got a lot of Gundam in this box. And we have this, also Gundam. Zekrello and Gelgoog. Very nice. And what do we have here? Also made by Bandai, Medea and Gaw. And this is from, I'm trying to see a year here. Japanese packaging doesn't always show a year. Okay, I'm guessing that might be Gundam also, but I think it's going to take a little research to confirm that. And then we have another Gundam. This is Transforming Gundam GP02A. Kind of their version of a Transformer, I'm guessing. It looks like it's factory sealed still. Brand new in the box, so that's very cool. Anyway, so this is all pretty much Gundam. So these will all be up for sale on our website, and that's www.familylegacyestatesale.com. Keep tuned for more videos.